People, you know what, yeah? A jerk chicken.
I'll tell you the truth, Ringo, bro. A long time I ain't cooked no food. I don't know what's happened to me, bro, yeah? Like, the quality of my food's gone downhill.
Get out of that.
No, honestly, my family are like, what's going on? Like, the music, take it, I need to chill out over the Christmas and I'll cook some food. Telling you, when I looked on this, it just made me feel like a warm feeling. Like, cooking outside. I miss it, man. Like, we need to get active again, bro. I'm serious, man. We need to get active, bro. I miss it, man.
Yes, people, you don't know what I want. This is M.R. I'm Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, look,
Icy streets.
lost footage, lost archive,
Yo.
but guess what? The universe is great when it connects you with people,
Right.
with the right people.
Right.
And in life, when you are try the right and I live good, you always come across the right people and you always be around the right people. That is it. So as you can see right now, people, yeah, everything really turned red.
Everything turned red. Listen, watch out for the lost footage, yeah? You're gonna hear some music that you never hear before on Icy Streets. Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen,
Cook on
Icy
vibes.
Streets. Make sure you know the connection. You understand? And watch out for the new Icy Streets freestyle as well. That soon drop. I'm mad tick.
All right, there's a headline show on the 27th of January.
27th of January, I'll tell you the truth, right? 27th of January, the only show in the UK, London show. The artists are booked up already. If any artists do want to perform, contact Ringo Vision. Do not contact me. Do not contact my manager. Only contact Ringo Vision. He will be in control of all the artists on the night, what time they're performing, and rare. So just make sure you link him up and quick and fast.
And guess what, people, yeah? We're going into 2024 and
Yeah.
it couldn't be a better way to come and celebrate with us, because we're not just inviting you to the show, but we're also inviting you to come and celebrate with M.R.
Yeah, man,
come and
man.
celebrate with Ringo Vision Sedway and come and meet the team.
Naturally, everything's changed from like Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen and cook and vibe. Now it's like, it's M.R. and cook and vibe, 24-hour kitchen and Icy Streets. So the music is just connecting on every part, which makes sense, you know?
A good vibes, people.
Icy Streets.
Now, don't we all love the sound of that sizzling from the jerk pan? You hear that, no, man? That me I talk about, people, yeah, good old jerk chicken. You don't see M.R. quickly. Look out for the Icy Streets DVD, people, yeah. It's coming out very soon. Some exclusive artists from the old school. You don't know what I'm going. We've got people like Style OG, Skinny Man, Swiss. A lot of artists are on there, people, yeah. Yeah, man, just look out for it. It's a good vibe there, so mash up some jerk chicken. You don't know the thing go already. Good vibes. Good vibes. Alright, when was the last time you had a bit of jerk chicken? I want you put it in the comment section and let me know the last time you had a bit of jerk chicken, people, yeah? A good vibes. Yeah, man. Yes, so after you use the jerk pan now, you have to use a wire brush and rub off all the remaining residue from the last use, everybody. Make sure that it's ready for next use. It's best to use the wire brush while it's piping hot, so it's easier for the residue of all the remaining chicken to just come off. And this will prevent your thing them from rusting and also hygiene as well, people, yeah? Big up yourself, our good vibes. Cleaning the jerk pan. Yes, people, so basically we've got the headline show on the 27th of January.
Mad thing.
All right, the first preview video for Icy Streets is already out, everybody, yeah?
Yeah.
Ringo Vision and M.R, we're on the go right now. We're in that festive period right now. We just mash up some work right now today,
Really?
people, yeah? And I just want M. to give you guys a little bit of update on what's going on in regarding the show. So let the people know what I go on, M.
All right, so basically at the moment, I think ticket-wise, I think we've got about 60 tickets left. I don't know, Ringo's. Did you read the statistics this morning?
Yeah, I did.
It's looking about 60 tickets left. It's crazy. So like right now, it's like literally you need to get your ticket quick and fast. But like sponsors and anything like that, like you just need to contact Ringo quick and fast. Yeah, I am not dealing with anything to do with the show. You know, Ringo and Z, they're YGP, they're taking care of all of that. So just contact them if you want to sponsor the show. You know, at this moment, we're not even looking for a big amount of money. So even if it's like a £200 or something like that, just contact Ringo quick and fast. Get the payment over. We'll get you on the board. We'll get you on the sponsor board. You see me? And just do the right thing, man. You don't want to miss this. This is the biggest performance of M.R's career. Remember, say people, our boss, I had different artists than I was last year. A different artist I was last month.
True.
So watch this. And ever since this whole thing has happened, I've not performed yet. I haven't performed Turn Red yet. You see the moment I performed Turn Red. It's a historic moment. You don't want to miss it. Make sure you get your tickets quick and fast. Only 60 left. There's probably 50, but 40 by now. So just, yeah, quick and fast.
Yes, people, you done air this. Good vibes. Yeah, people, so you don't know where I go on. So we're fully active, we're fully outside. Big up yourself. I see you guys again. Just check out the channel. There's a lot of updates coming out on the channel. Fling back over to Cooking Vibes again, people, yeah. And also, there's a link that's on either Cooking Vibes M.R, or you can get a link on my channel as well, people, yeah, for the digital ticket, because it's only going
live stream. You can watch it anywhere in the world, man. $1. You can't go wrong.
Good vibes, people. Big up yourself. Catch up with you again in a few days. Good vibes.